Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your Google account is active and ready. This is important because rewards tie to that account. Once done, install Google Opinion Rewards from the Play Store and grant the minimal permissions it requests so surveys can reach you. Next, open the app, accept the terms, and set language plus location accuracy options. Location improves survey relevance. Doing these steps now gets you into the app environment and lets surveys start appearing sooner. Now configure the app to be useful. Enable notifications and turn on precise location so you receive timely, relevant surveys based on places you visit. Make sure you understand that faster responses often lead to more opportunities. Check notifications promptly and complete surveys in one sitting. Answer honestly because surveys include consistency checks and poor answers can disqualify you. Finally, review past rewards in the app to learn what kinds of surveys pay best and adjust your habits accordingly. Finish by claiming and monitoring your rewards. Tap the reward notification or open the app to see your balance, then redeem to Google Play credit or follow local payout options. Make sure your payment/profile settings remain up to date so credits apply correctly. If surveys stop appearing, troubleshoot by clearing the app cache, updating to the latest version, or signing out and back into your Google account. These steps often restore background syncing. If problems persist, verify location and notification permissions are still enabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.